Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the overlay for your Airtag. This here is what one looks like already installed. You can see it's a nice blue finish. The Apple logo is optional. You can also choose other designs or logos to put on there if you want. Today we're installing one without a logo on it, just a solid color overlay. What you're going to find in the package will be the overlays themselves, a couple of application sticks, and an alcohol prep pad. First thing we want to do is prep the Airtag. You're going to make sure there's no fingerprints on it. As you can see, this one's got a few. So we're just going to prep it and then let that dry. It only takes a quick second for it to dry. Okay, now that that's dried, let's go ahead and grab this. The application tape is pre-cut so that you've got a nice oval, a nice curve up here. To make it extra easy, you're just going to take it in one hand, take the application, and line it up. Don't be afraid to lift if you need to. Alright, once we have it in a good spot, you're just going to start from the center, go in circles, work your way out. Make sure you really get the edge. They're cut just small enough to fit the entire thing so that it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. You'll have a nice bit of a chrome frame around the coloring. And then we'll peel this back. And now that's installed. Alright. The next thing that we can install is the optional siding. So you can see here they've got the blue frame around the side. This is optional. Obviously, in most cases, that's not going to show. You know, for example, this one here, you're not going to see it. That piece is a little bit more difficult to install, so it's up to you, but you do get them just in case you decide to. Let's show you how. So you're just going to peel it up a little bit, and I find that bending it this way and then just grabbing it with the stick is very helpful. And this one just takes a little bit of back and forth and some practice. So we're going to grab it from right here and we're just going to reapply the stick there so that we have it. And I'm just going to hold it sideways like this and just going to keep lifting until I find a good grab for it. That right there works, and you're just going to lightly roll that away. We'll grab this and we'll follow it all the way around the Airtag. Don't pull too hard on the vinyl, otherwise it will stretch it out. And you're just lightly following it around the outer ring. And then it will overlay with the starting piece just slightly to make sure there's perfect coverage. And then you can just use this to make sure it's smoothed down all the way. And there you go. That's the install. If you'd like to get these, you can check out our Etsy shop or our website. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching.